noticed in this 2009 Subaru Outback. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.